देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः.
A sister is a gift to the heart, a friend to the spirit, a golden thread to the meaning of life. Let us light a lamp of love in every heart to celebrate Shakti Bandhan. We empower and support sisters of the planet with care, kindness, gratitude and generosity of spirit and manners. So Shakti Bandhan celebrates our blissful she for she bond as soul sisters with a strong message that sisterhood exists and is truly powerful. It is a strength of the united force, one that is immediate with the woman you surround yourself with, and one that is universal with sisters from around the world. Tying bands of love, affection, fondness and bonding, this day is filled with togetherness and joy.
With this bond of love, we also usher in one of the most important festivals of Shakti worship, Durga Puja. This 9-day-long festival signifies women empowerment, whereby a form of the mother goddess Shakti incarnates as goddess Durga, inculcating the purest power of all the gods to kill the asur named Mahishasur. The spirit of Ma Durga holds deep symbolic significance in recent times too, when we are fighting all the evil in the world, and this will always remain relevant. Alongside the festivities, we can hear the powerful beat of the dhak and smell the fragrance of the dhununchi, the resonance of which makes the festival even more jubilant.
মহিষাসুরমর্দিনী
We believe that women are truly a source of inspiration to mankind. Dr. Harbeen Arora has a vision to build a strong sisterhood among all women so that each can inspire and motivate the others. We hereby present a tribute to the one who is the finest piece of creation and the one who maintains the continuity of life.
I am a woman who wears a crown of motherhood and rules the kingdom of life in new beginnings. I am the one to create, to destroy, to balance, and of course, to revive. I give birth to humanity. I give birth to Gandhis and Einsteins, Lincolns and Armstrongs. I serve and sacrifice. I am a woman. I dress myself each day with numerous attires: a daughter, a wife, a sister, a mother, a friend, or a beloved. This life is a stage, and I have numerous roles to play. I am a woman. I bleed stains all over my white dress, bathing myself with purest of the pure blood to retain life, to continue life. On the fresh canvas of motherhood, I paint the world red. I am a woman. I am strong, strong enough to rule, strong enough to lead. I can bear tremendous pain, but welcome you each time with a refreshing smile. I never let my fears undertake my strength. I am strong. I am a woman. I am beautiful inside out. I adorn myself with the most fancy emotions of love and care. I conceal my scars to heal the wounds of mankind. I beautify everything around. I am a woman. I own the magic to convert a house into a home. I accept cruelty but serve you kindness. I work day in, day out to fill glitters in your life. I am a woman. I float over the clouds of my dreams and swim in the ocean of hope. I bring goodness. I create opportunities. If you let me fly, I can touch the skies with my wings parallel to the horizon. I move towards infinite. I am a woman. I give you life. I do want something in return. Let me live. Let me dream. Let me create. Let me gleam. I own this place. I have the right. If you dare to stop me, beware of your plight. Oh man, let's make it clear. I am the one who brought you here. I am strength. I am dignity. I am glory. I am love. I am hope. I create. I bring life. I suffer. I sacrifice. I do serve. I am born to love and to live. I am what I am. I am a woman with million dreams. Love her, respect her, care for her. That's all that she needs.